Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. On this Dodge Grand Caravan I'm going to show you where you find your paint code. So the paint code is located in the VIN number identification, the main one that gives you all the information. And so I'll show you that. So you open up the door and you'll see right here on the door we have the manufacturer that made the vehicle and information. It tells you the tire size that it came with and what the PSI of that tire should be. But right here we have where the vehicle was made. It says it was made in Canada, and we have our paint code. And so the paint code here is a PW1, and so that's where you find the paint code to be able to match that paint if you need to have your vehicle repainted. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.